In this video, I will explain you how to transfer Google Play Store balance to bank account. Now before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So, as you can see, this method works only in the United States. So if you are not from United States, this will not work for you. So the first step is to go to wallet.google.com and then simply click on payment methods. Now the next step is to click money in Google Pay or Google Play balance, and after you click on those, you're gonna have to simply click transfer out. Then simply enter the amount that you want to transfer out and then simply select the bank account that you want to transfer to and then simply click on transfer out, and that's it. Now, as you can see, when you transfer money out of your balance to a bank account, it should be available in your account within 1 to 5 business days. So basically that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.